Hello, so in this video I'm going to be talking about a hair product, but not just any type of hair product. First of all, the reason why I bought this is because I am in love with majority of the TGIN hair products. For one, my hair absolutely loves it. For two, my hair is so moisturized, it's not even funny. For three, it smells good. For four, it's natural. And for five, did I already say my hair loves it? Anyway. Natural is just, my hair is in love. So anyway, this is the second time that I bought this hair mask and my hair absolutely loves it. When I mean there's moisture in it and my curls are like boom, yeah, like, and it smells good too. So anyway, in my opinion, so yeah, this is the TGIN, which means, and which it stands for, thank God it's natural, honey miracle hair mask with raw honey, olive oil. And what this does is that it's an intense, deep, penetrating conditioner for dry, damaged, and color treated hair. One, I have color treated hair. It may not be all over, but I do have parts of my hair that is colored. So I was looking for something that will put back that moisture in my colored hair. Even though I haven't done my hair in a year, I still would just love my hair being moisturized. So anyway, this is what it looks like. And then the directions on it. One is the sulfate free thing. So, you know, like after shampooing your hair with the sulfate free shampoo, which I have, and condition with the TGIN triple moisture replenishing conditioner, which I have. So what you're doing is you're shampooing, then conditioning, and then you apply this miracle mask on your hair, and you comb through to ensure that the product is, you know, distributed and penetrated throughout your whole head from the roots to the ends. So, and what you can do is you can place a plastic cap over your hair and sit on it dry for 10 to 15 minutes, or you can leave on the hair for 35 minutes to an hour without heat, and then you rinse thoroughly with warm water, and then you followed by cool water. So to close it in. So what you're doing is you're rinsing it all out, which is like, you know, pretty much penetrating into the hair, and then you're following with the cool water. Not cold, but cool water. So let me go ahead and try to open this up. So first of all, I absolutely just love this product. Like, I really, really do. So let me try to unscrew this some more. Okay, almost there. Almost getting there. There we go. So yeah, this one is brand new, but this is, like I said before, the second time that I bought it. So don't want to like. So this is what it looks like. And as soon as I open the top, you can just smell it. Oh, it smells so good. Oh my goodness, it smells lovely. Okay, so this is what it looks like. And then I'm going to kind of just do a small dip, because I don't want to waste too much product in my hair. And you see, that's what it looks like. So let me try to focus in a little bit. So yeah, and what I smell mostly is the honey. Oh, it got that sweet, lovely smell to it. It smells amazing. Oh my God, it smells amazing. So, and it's a good amount of it too. So yeah, what I mostly smell is the honey in it. Like, it's really, really sweet. So my results when I use this product, for one, I notice that my hair is like super duper duper soft. It's not too harsh on my hair. What other things I've noticed is that my hair is really, it's like, it slips through when I apply this product on my hair. So whenever I'm detangling with this particular product, I just noticed that it just glides through, it just slides through. Like, it's easy to comb, and my hair absolutely loves and enjoys it. I was definitely wanting to buy this product for a while, but I was like, man, I never had the time to do it. And I finally was like, okay, stop. You gotta start treating your hair better and treating it like you love it more. So I was like, so let me go ahead and try this out. And after when I conditioned my hair with the TGIN conditioner, already my hair was soft. Well, when I use this shampoo, it's a really easy shampoo to use, and it glides so easy. Like, the slip through is crazy with the shampoo. On top of the conditioner, it's just reassured with the slip through. But then with the hair mask on top of it, oh man, your hair is just left with a strong, just clean smell to it. Like, especially if you have your window car down and the wind is blowing throughout your hair, let me just tell you, you are going to smell your hair. I smelled my hair even with the shampoo and conditioner and the hair products I had in my hair, but just all of it together, it just smells amazing. Like, it smells like heaven in my hair, and it feels so clean, so fresh, and I absolutely love it. And with all the products together, when I mean it works so much, like, not saying like if you missed a product it's not going to work, but I just noticed that all of it together, it just put that extra sprinkle on my hair, and which I really love. So I'm definitely going to be rocking this hair mask for a while until maybe that they come out with something else. But this Honey Miracle, it definitely left like a miracle on my hair. Like, my hair was just really just defined and moisturized and just, oh my god, I absolutely loved my hair. Like, I couldn't stop messing with it, even though, especially with curly hairs, you're not supposed to like mess with it too much because it, you know, may cause a little bit of frizz. But the product I had applied afterwards, I really didn't have too much frizz. My hair was just big and defined, and thanks to this hair mask, I can definitely tell like my hair color really appreciate it as well. So again, this is the TGIN Honey Miracle hair mask.